I've been reading up on the forums that apparently 5-speed transmission cars have a race motor. I never knew that. So we're gonna see if shifting into race mode actually improves performance in my old 2002 Bug-Eye WRX. As you can see by the intro, no, I'm not that stupid. No, I know there's no such thing as a race mode on manual transmission cars, but I got this idea because I've seen Duramax Jack. You guys don't know who he is. Very quality man. I recommend checking out his channel. But I think a couple months ago, if not a little bit more, I think it was a while ago, he did a video on him shifting into reverse in his 2016 Duramax, I think it is. I could be wrong on the year, but that's where I got the idea from. Obviously, I don't come up with original ideas. Who does these days? But I don't think I've ever seen a video of anyone trying it in a manual car. I don't think anyone's ever tried shifting into reverse in a manual car. I could be wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong. But today we're going to find out what actually happens. Now, couple things I have to say. I am not going to be jamming this thing into reverse. I'm not going to be forcing it into reverse. I am doing this one time, not multiple times, because if something does happen to my transmission, I don't want to further hurt the transmission itself. So we're basically going to go up to like about 50 miles an hour and see what actually happens. I don't know what's going to happen. I have a rough idea what's going to happen. But let's hope and pray that it does not break my transmission. So I'm going to be driving around a little bit. I don't know where I'm going to get up to 50 mile an hour around here. But so this video isn't going to be too short. You know, I might as well just ramble on, talk about some things. And the main thing I want to talk about is, I know in my recent video, I think it was my very recent video of me, quote, buying another WRX, but my upload schedule. Now I know I said I might be going back to my, 1 day a week upload schedule, but my mind thought process and motivation has changed. I really want to try to go for 2 to 3 videos a week. Let me know what you guys think about that. It just gets me to think creatively, get up and do something with my life, and I'm pretty pumped about it, but the idea side of it is going to be a little hard for me because I have a couple ideas I want in my head. It's just the fact that I don't know if people will be entertained to watch it. But in order for me to actually progress through this YouTube thing, ever since the new rules and new agendas and the new algorithm, you have to be posting on a regular basis and more than once a week to get into the recommended side of, or not the side, to get recommended or have your video put into recommended videos. It's like when you watch a video and then you see the whole list of videos on the side, you have to be posting on a regular basis to even get on there. With that being said, I don't think I'm going back to 1 video a week. I'm probably going for 2 to 3. 2 to 3 is probably the main number. 3 on a good week. I think I rambled on enough. There's really no context or like hyping this up. It's basically going to be like a 5-second clip of me just putting it into reverse. So I'm just trying to make this a longer video because I don't feel right having a very, very short video. It doesn't go well with me. So I'm trying to drag it out. I'm trying to be excited about it. I'm trying to have a high, energy. And plus I'm still trying to find the spot where I can actually get up to 50 miles an hour. Ooh! Ooh! Did you guys hear that? Oh, I'm happy about the nice weather. And, know, the sunshine and all that, but when you're trying to make a video, I ain't putting my AC on because that is less horsepower. I don't feel like, you know, dropping in horsepower just to be cool and comfortable. Now, for some reason, Pennsylvania is scorching right now. I'm comfortable with like 60s, 70s, but when it hits up to 80 and like 90s, that is, woo! It gets a little steamy. And it's not me complaining about the heat, because I know some people complain about the cold, and then when it gets too hot, they complain about the hot, and it's just like, you're never happy. Like, what the heck are you doing? But before you think I'm complaining about the heat, think again. And a couple more things that you should know. I did not do my research on this. I did not, you know, look up what could happen. I'm basically going in this blind because it's funnier that way. So this should be fun. I am in a car where it is well known that the transmission isn't the strongest, and I am going to be not jamming it, but putting it into reverse. We are gonna do the pull. We are gonna give it the beans because this spot is crap. Oh, here we go. Oh, dump truck. Whoa! Whoa! That was it. That's all I could give, because I caught up to the people in front of me. Okay, so we are coming up to the spot. I'm gonna have to pull you guys from the windshield, so you guys are gonna have to come here. Come here. Oh, my seatbelt locked up. Oh, that's weird. That's awkward. Anyway, come here. Yep. Okay, as you can see, we are coming up on 50 miles an hour. Let me get up there. Let me get up there. All right, 50 mile an hour. So here we go. What will happen? I don't know. All right, hopefully I can steer and do this at the same time. This is gonna be really, really hard. I need to get to more of a straight spot because there's a turn coming up. All right, enough stalling. Here we go. Oh, 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 ah, ah. Did you hear that? Hopefully you guys heard that, because I am not doing that again. That was a terrible, heck, I'll do it again. Oh, 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 that hurts so bad. Okay, enough. I am done brutally abusing my transmission, but I do it for you guys. Okay, so what have we learned? We learned there is no such thing as race mode in a manual transmission car. We've learned you cannot put it into reverse while going 50. And we've also learned, well, I think that's pretty much it. I think that's all we've learned. So, that is going to do it for today's video, everyone. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you are new to the channel, smash that subscribe button. I have used my car for you guys for the entertainment. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, and I will see each and every one of you